For new recipe every Wednesday, please subscribe my channel. It's free and press bell icon so you get notification when I upload new videos. Namaste ji, welcome to Itnaa Tasty Hai Cooking with Elsa Nilaj, your daughter-in-law from Albania. Friends, today's recipe is coconut chutney. We all love chutney. We eat chutney with pulao, we eat chutney with sabji, with everything. It just takes 5 minutes and it will be ready. So let's check ingredients. We need coconut, imli, urad dal, coriander leaves, green chili, ginger, salt, water. First step क्या है? First I have soaked imli in water for 10-15 minutes. You have to soak it and you just keep mixing it with hand so that you should know it will mix beautifully with the water. See how it looks? It's mixed beautifully together. Okay, so already I have soaked dal also a little bit in water because it will become a little soft, so it is faster to mix in mixer. So let's use the mixer. First of all, I am going to use 2 to 3 spoons of imli water. You know, you can squeeze it. Now I am going to add coconut. I have already cut in small pieces. I am using only half of the coconut. I am done with cutting coconut in small pieces. I am going to add 3 green mirchi. We need a little spicy. It's very nice. Cut in small pieces. Once we are done cutting the green mirchi, I am going to add a little ginger. Get the raw one from the market. Don't add too much ginger, or how we call it in Hindi, adrak. Just make sure it is properly cut. Okay, once we are done with ginger, now it's time to add dal. This is very good when it will mix with coconut and it is healthy as well. So let's take 2.5 spoons. Okay, I'm going to add coriander. Just cut it in big pieces. Once we are done with coriander, we keep aside and we can add salt. We need half spoon salt. It's very nice. Instead of adding salt after we made the chutney, it should mix right now with all ingredients together. 1 spoon. Okay, and now it's good if we add a little water right now because it should not be very thick. We can mix it. We can check it again. In case you need to add a little more water, we can add that as well. So just add little. Don't add too much. And we can mix. Okay? It will make noise. we can check if we need to add more water. Just little bit, not too much, but it is looking yummy. I love coconut chutney to eat with idli in the morning. It's my favorite breakfast. Just add little bit, not too much. It shouldn't be very thin. I don't like the thin chutney, sometimes we do it on the street, when we have a street food, it is too thin and it's not that good. It's very liquid. I like that thick coconut chutney. We have to make it this way. Mix it again. Now we can check. It's looking yummy. I cannot resist. I'm going to try. I cannot resist. It's looking yummy. It's looking very tasty. Just see how pretty it is looking. It's looking yummy, huh? So now it's time to dish out. Coconut chutney is ready. It's very tasty and we are going to try it. ऐसे ऐसे. बहुत अच्छा. Friends, this was today's recipe, coconut chutney. Thank you for watching and we are going to meet next week. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, Itnaa Tasty Hai Cooking with Elsa Nilaj. Not even subscribe but comment and share with your friends. So till then, namaste, dhanyavad.